Hello guys, and welcome to another shoe cleaning video. So today we are cleaning a leather shoe. Now for this leather boat shoe, as you can see, uh, the color has become dull and it has uneven uh, patches all over it. So for today's video, we're gonna use paddle soap to clean the leather, to remove the dirt and grime, and to bring back its color and shine. We're gonna apply leather cream conditioner after. Okay, here we go. Okay guys, now for this video, we're gonna remove the laces for us to be able to reach all part of the shoe. And for the saddle soap, what we need to do is just use your soft bristle brush, dump it in small water, then you just need to form a lather or a foam uh, through the saddle soap and just spread it all over your shoe, then wipe. Okay, so let's do it one shoe at a time. Here we go. Okay, so we are done with the one pair. As you compare it with the other one, you can see it has removed all the scuffs, and it is all evened out now. So the other one still very dry and lot of uneven patches, so we'll we'll try to clean this one next. Okay guys, so we are done with applying the saddle soap to both pairs. So we'll just leave this to dry for a couple of hours. Then actually when you're cleaning with the saddle soap, it will remove the dirt and grime, but it will also dry up the leather. So we will need to apply a leather conditioner after it dries up, so we'll just wait for a few. Okay guys, so we are back. So the shoe is all dried up now. Okay, it's all clean. So to bring back that shine and to condition the leather, we're gonna use the leather cream conditioner. So to apply this one, just need to use a sponge and just try to wipe this all evenly as much as possible. Okay, here we go. Okay guys, so we are done applying on one pair. So as you can see, it's all back to its vibrant color, comparing it to the other one. Just make sure guys that when you apply the leather conditioner that it's evenly spread out, just to make sure all the sides are covered. Okay, so let's try to apply this on the other pair. Okay, so we are done. So as you can see, our boat shoe, leather boat shoe, is back to its dynamic color. So we'll just leave this to dry and for the leather conditioner to soak in. Give it a little brush and we're good to go. Best advice for leather and your delicate materials to use horsehair brush. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed our video. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.